me check out the scenery. Are you the mayor still?
I'm the mayor of Malibu. Lawyer, politician, realtor, man you can trust.
We're on a mission from God's sakes, huh? I started thinking about the old pioneers when they came through. That must have been rough in this heat. Hello, my friends. I'm at the Grand Canyon. It's a very long way down. It's unbelievable that you can sit this close to the edge. And it's like 10 miles down. I think I'm getting a little vertigo. So I'll see you later. I'm here at Winslow, Arizona. One of our many stops today. Oh, right there. Check it out. I'd go.
Whoa, dude!
Yeah!
We're having some hail and some rain. Jerky.
Oh, hell yeah.
West Texas jerky. Habanero style.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Good stuff. And you're the dealer guy?
I'm the dealer! So they got jerky.
Hey, shit.
Jerky pusher.
Man, you make it at home?
I make this at home.
Yeah? Are you from Texas?
Nope.
Where are you from?
Tennessee. I'm from Tennessee.
Nice. And you're his front man?
Yep.
Nice.
I'm from Chicago.
I'm from Chicago.
Chi-town!
Come on, Holmes. What made me go on the ride is I want to see America.
And that's what I think everybody needs to find is how they can be part of something. Rather than...
Can I get a hallelujah?
Amen and hallelujah. Pass the biscuits. A lot of great men paid the ultimate sacrifice here for us to enjoy our liberty.
God bless America.